this video, I will show you how to get a job at Adobe. So what you need to do first is open up your browser and then your search browser and then just type in Adobe Jobs. And once you do that, you will see this option at the top, Careers at Adobe. And in here, you can also click on Explore All Careers. So let's go ahead and click on that. And once we do that, we are in the screen of Adobe where we can find job titles based on entering the name, or we can just enter the location. Or when we scroll down, we can also be the first to apply on listed jobs that you can see in here. You can also click on View More, and then you will see a couple. But if you want to manually select your category or for your job, then you need to scroll down, and then in here you can browse by job categories. So go ahead and enter the area that you want to apply for. So let's say you want to apply for sales, then you're going to click on this, and then you can already see that there are 207 available jobs. And then now you can enter the job title or the location that you like, or you can scroll down and then see what all the jobs are. So we can see all the countries where the jobs are in. So let's say we want to filter for the United States of America, then we're going to fill this in. Now we can also enter a state. So let's say we're going with Colorado. Then we can right now see all of these sales jobs for Colorado for Adobe. So if you want to apply for, let's say this one, you're going to click on Apply Now. And once you do that, you will go to this screen where you just need to fill in all of your details. So your information, your experience, application questions, voluntary disclosures, and you need to self-identify yourself, and then everything will be reviewed. So make sure that you fill everything in correctly. And after you do that, you will eventually apply for a job at Adobe. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.